after that we return back to architecture. Let me start to create what we call it, the component of the building. The first one, we will explore the wall. Okay, and then before that we jump to level 0. Okay, because the floor will be level 0 and then bring to the every level 0 to level 1. Okay, wall. Wall, when you press, the contextual wall will appear on your screen, and then on the right side, the properties here, you can select type of the wall. You can see here wall external, and then follow the name of the wall external. You have the dimension: 102 brick wall, 75 insulation, 100 low density block work, and then 12mm plaster. So this one is showing you what's the layers that developed or generated the wall. Okay, so then let me start from here. Okay, wall external 215 brickwork, but this one is too big. I mean, normally in Malaysia, the thickness of the brick wall is about 100mm only, or 110 or 100 110 and 100mm, depends on the type and the material of the wall that you want to use. Okay, we explore first this one. If you want to go to this one, then go to edit type. So let me make it smaller, and then you can see preview here, the layers. You can see the layers here. Brick wall exposed without any plaster, and then the insulation, and then this one's low density brickwork, and then after that the plaster. So it has plaster 12mm here. So to change the arrangement and to change the thickness, you can add go to the edit here. But before you modify any element in the Autodesk Revit, make sure you do duplicate here and then change. Okay, external, you don't know this one. Let me change that down. Okay, let me set here. You want to have 2mm pane or 2.5 pane or 2mm pane, and then after that we want to have 10 or 15 plaster, 25 plaster or script, and then after that 100 brickwork, like that on one side. So the other side we have another this one. Okay, let me copy this one. Probably to pane, like that. And then okay, we name it. We have new layers and name, still in naming. And after that, you change the edit here. So then you can see here we have several layers. Then we can change the layers here. If you don't want here, you delete. And then we have finish here, and structure here we have the concrete masonry. So we add layers on top here, insert, and then bring it down, and then here insert, like this. Okay, for the finish one here, we change it to pane. How to change? We go to this one, materials. Let me repeat. Materials, break common, I have the triple dot button, select and then go to pane. Let me check pane here. Is there any pane? Yeah, we have pane here, white lining here. So you select, and after that, if you want to change the color later on, change the color or change the type of the pane, so then you what you call it, duplicate, right click and duplicate material asset here. Then if you want to change the this what you call it, external pane, so you press EXP like that, white lining. So if you want to change it to, let's say, pink, not white but pink, there. So then you can change here, appearance here, color, this is gloss, brush, or else when you're still active in external pink here, then you go to, you press this button, open asset browser. Okay, you select from the appearance library, then after that you select the pane, whether you want to make it glossy or not. You select this one. Normally where the seal can be a glossy pane, or maybe interior glossy one, exteriors are made or the coat rough or smooth, or the coat smooth for the outside, can be like that. Then you select here the color, have no, you have the red, we start from the red out for the left side, and then press this one, replace the current asset in the editor, press, then close. So it's already changed here. There is a reflector, there is a roughness. Then whether you want to make it the color here, change the color, you click this one, and after that drag to a little bit to pinky a little bit, like that. Okay. Graphic, you not change there, change here, have the reflector. Let me check whether we have another. This is the bump, so then there is a soft relief pattern. If you want to remove this one, it's okay. The bump is will expose the surface pattern. The cut out. If you want to have the cut out, you can select this one. So then the cut out will be the same. Will have the color. Advanced highlight color. It's not on it. You can later you can what you call it, change. Slider roughness here, and change here. Or information. Powder code rate. This graphic. Then okay. Pink, you can see is the cut is not up here, color here. If you want to change the you can see the thickness is supposed to be 2 mm, that 2 mm. So if you want to change the, it has a cut pattern or the color, you can select as well here, a pink, like that. Or you can copy the code here from the appearance. So like this, it has 250, 228, 226. You can change here. 250, 228, 6. Like that. So it will give you almost the same color with or 226, yes. So then when you press OK, so it will give you color or not here. Anyway, you can change that. It's supposed to be not parameter. It's supposed to be on the graphical here. Cut pattern. Non pattern. Also background. You can change here as well. Anyway, supposed to be here. Anyway, Okay, then on the setting it will appear. So you want to change it to setting 250 to 6. Go to 220. Oh, 220, sorry. Okay, let's see the transparency. And then okay. No problem. So, and then after that, structure here, we change to finish also of substrate. So find the script here. Script. Concrete cement script, and then no need to change anything. Color slightly gray here, and then pattern here. Appearance will be like this, but it will be enveloped by the paint. Not to worry. Then the cut pattern will be like this. Okay. Then you have to change this one to 25 millimeter. You can see here you have this one. And then here concrete masonry, normally we have to change here. This one is low density, we can change to normal concrete masonry unit like that. And then if we want to change the pattern, this, then normally it is like this, right? Then okay, but this one will be we'll use the edited one. So if you want to duplicate it, you can just right click and then duplicate. Okay, then okay. So like that. And then we change one concrete sand script. Yeah, here and press OK. Change the thickness to 25, and then not plaster but it's paint. This one is let me go to paint. Sorry, paint, and then we have the external ping, right? So right click, duplicate, and make it interior, and then white. Then we go to this one, and then appearance library, go to paint, we select the glossy one, paint, and then white enamel. So then we will replace inside. Then you can see it has reflector, have roughness. So if you want to have the reflector, lower it down. Okay. Relief pattern, no, it has not any relief pattern here. So then apply or press OK. Then change the thickness to 2 mm. So the thickness of the wall will be almost 150, right? So if you want to make it more precise to 150, so it's 2.5. Oh no, it's 2.5, also already 150, right? Anyway, make it 2. Maybe we can reduce this one, 22, but it's 2. Anyway, like that. Then press OK. So the layers will be like this. Then OK. Okay. So then when we select this one, external wall with this arrangement, then you can see on the option bar here, you can select the height, and then by default it is height. So then from the bottom to up, so there is another selection is depth. So it will create down depth. Then unconnected, so you can connect it up to level 1 or level 2 if it is the same. Normally for the architectural one, so you can directly select what we call it up to level 2, something like that. So then because in architectural model we don't have it is not necessarily we have what we call it beam or structural beam. Okay, so then we can go directly level 2. But if you want to make a detailing later on easily, so you can add a column directly on the architectural model. So let me start from using this one, level 2, and then you can see here location is wall at center line, center. You can select core face or core interior face. I forgot to explain. When we have this one, edit type here, when we set the structure, you can see exterior side, so we select external pink, so the interior side will paint the interior white like that. So on top is the exterior, down is interior. This one is related to this one, where you want to set the location line, so whether on exterior face or something like that. Okay, and then you can select from here. Okay, so then you can directly drag this one. So because we create architectural model, so if you combine directly, so it is normally in the BIM process we separate the architectural model and the structural model separately. So you can see here it is connected and then it's wrapped. Another one here, we have the a wall somewhere here, but it is not attached to any walls. This are hanging, I mean stop here. You can see here at the end it is not wrapping, so it is exposed like this. How to make it how to make it wrap? I mean has something like this, I mean has the plaster on the outer end. So we click this one and then edit type, and then make sure you have this one, wrapping at end, whether it is exterior or interior. So it will you can select exterior or interior, so this means it will have so because the paint different, so we select interior, because so then the paint will be follow the interior paint like that, because it is located at interior. Okay, then before we continue, you can see here we have the detail. It's fine, so then that's why we can see the the cut profile. So if you want to make it more detailed, you can select the higher view level like this. Okay, then after that here you can select display option, hidden, shaded, realistic, shaded here like this. You can see that it's pink. So then we need to change, we forgot to change, I think we forgot to change the interior paint. Let me select this one, the edit type, and go to back to the edit, and then go to paint in white here. Make sure the graphic here we change as well here, the cut pattern white. Okay, then okay, so that we can see there the interior, because it is one external wall, but it's supposed to be white, not here. Maybe we need to change the cost first. Oh sorry, fine, supposed to be we have the plain white paint. I'm not sure, let me check here. Realistic one. Oh, it give you the what you call it, it's not nice because it's cut off. I mean you can change it later, so the detail can be presented clearly. I can see it's still pink. Anyway, it's fine. Maybe the color here is is wrap interior. Let me change it. Select this, edit type. Let me check this interior, wrapping at insert, both add, and then paint here. Change to render here, graphic render, supposed to be white. Okay, appearance already white. And then okay, see, you can see white. So it's exterior, interior, white here. But here I'm not pretty sure. Let me change that off. Okay, then since this one is an internal wall, so then it's supposed to be we have another wall type specifically for the interior wall. Edit type. So this one you duplicate it. Okay, and then make it inter. Okay, and then you just simply rename it because there is a number 2 at the end, and then okay, then you rename it. Not to rename, sorry, edit this one. The external is not pink, but you select the internal white as well. Okay, and okay, we have okay here, and then it's supposed to be here is we select the interior wall. So let me go through here. It says white already. Okay, done. So let me see the shaded white. Okay, then it's join clearly. Okay, done. So let me move to the so we already create the the wall, so we can continue. Let we finish this one. Let me finish the wall before we continue. Then we select interior wall internal, because follow the ascending sorting. Okay, so then we have this from here to here, and then to here, and then here, close to here. Okay, and escape. And then let me have this another wall. Okay, just random width. So how to make it? Let's say this one is toilet, and then let me check what is the size 1000. Let me make it 2000. Yeah, 2000 from the center, 2000 to the here. And then we want to make it equal. So you go to this, select this one, align dimension. You select center here, center here, then bring up there, and then there's an EQ. Press the EQ, so it will equal. Then after that you add the wall to close this one. Okay, done. Okay, so then you have the toilet, you have this room, then you have the other room here. So if you want to change, you can still change here the dimension. So you can see here the dimension is from face to face, so you can move this, bring it to that one, and then I bring it to the center here, so it will be center to center. Oh, sorry. Let me have this. So I want to make it center to center. Oh, done one. So center to center, 4000. Okay, so let me change it to 3000. Enter. Like that. So or else you just simply bring it like that. Okay, 3000. Okay, then same goes to here. If you want to make it slightly different, you can still drag and you can drag it. Let's say you want to have a store, but it is not on the center, sorry. So then you can change as I mentioned previously. Using this one, center here, like that. Then you can change. Hopefully you can still change. I forgot. Oh no, it cannot. It's already dimension. So you select this one. You move this to the center. Oops, sorry. Center. Here to center. So then change the dimension to 3000. So 3000 like that. Okay. Then let me continue to the what you call it, to the floor. Architectural, you can select the floor here. Then you can create the wall here. Remember, for the ground floor, the wall will be buried to the beam level. I mean to the ground beam. So then it will be something like the floor is on the ground, whether it is suspended or maybe it is whether it is reinforced or not. Normally for the house, you just fill the floor or the ground with the soil, and after that pave it, something like that. So then I escape here to release from the floor creation. So then you press this X, cancel edit. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Go to architecture, go to floor, click, and after that you have the boundary line here. You select the line. Since we will click the floor to this one, and then remember that it is the wall will be extend to the ground or to the ground beam. So then we start from here. Escape. Anyway, hopefully you can still edit later we edit. Follow this one. Not on the plaster. Then yes, here, and then almost done. Set here and close. Make sure it is closed. If it is not closed, it will prompt you. Then escape. You can still escape one more time. It will not directly create it. Once you click the finish, so you can. So I release the command of creating the boundary. So then I want to move this like that. So it's snap to the line there, and after that press this one. So what type of floor here? So then we need to edit. So we click first and then we edit. Then how to select this one? You can hovering and then it's not tap like that. So you're hovering to the nearest object, and after that press tap button. Tap. So it's still not selected, and tap. Tap. Close to the floor. Oops, no. Then click. So your floor selected. You can see here the properties: floor, ground, suspended. So then we edit this one. Okay. So you can see here is too many layers. Then its function is interior. It's correct. And then you can change the edit structure here. So finish is concrete sand. So we don't want this one. Thermal insulation we don't want. You can delete. Then proofing if you want to have this one. And then structure, concrete precast. This has a concrete precast. or just concrete masonry. So it has concrete. Let me change this one, and then we remove this one, and then after that down here we add the ground. Down here we move down here. We add here is substrate, and then here we select ground. Underground wall, no, we don't have. So then we go to we find here. Oh, let me change this one first. Or soil, earth. Oh, we have earth here, and then duplicate material and asset, fit. Okay, then we go to the asset browser. Let me see whether the appearance in here has ground or flooring or concrete, or ground or earth. Concrete before fabric premise, flooring, carpet, sand, wood, tile, glass, masonry, paint, site work, smooth water stock, beach, sand. So then we can have pave, interlocking, sand, smooth, have sand, grass, dirt. We have dirt here. Okay, anyway, you can use this one, earth, or you can use this one, earth field. Let me see the graphic, the cut pattern like that. So normally it is what you call it, the earth, whether this one or this denser, something like this, or something denser like this. Let me have this one, earth, but here can still change, edit for the size, modify, pattern, scale. I can change the scale, 0.5, make it smaller. Okay, so it's on 50. Structure, I want to make it see here. We have the dirt here, so you can change a field here, and change. We don't want this color. We have white color as well, like that. But it's earth. And then here, structure here, we whether you have the concrete, cement script, cast in place, there is. Okay, and then the thickness here, let's say is 50 as well. Membrane, you can add downproofing, and then after that maybe you can add what you call it, plaster, substrate here, substrate tool here, and then script. Oh, we forgot to modify this one, so actually we have to cancel it. We have to duplicate it first before we edit. Floor, ground, 9. Okay, so edit, we have to redo, delete, then here you can change to, okay, anyway, you can add insert here, down here for the earth, down, So here you select earth fit already created previously, and then thickness is 150 or maybe 200. Structure one is the concrete precast. We don't want the precast one. We want cast in place with this quality C50, and then thickness of 50 only, and then here sand. Maybe we can bring it up because it is not, that is a substrate. Or maybe bring it down, substrate. Sand. Okay then. So this one is supposed to be changed to this one, vertical one. Okay. And then the thickness of the sand 50 as well. And then after that, this one we insert for the plaster. Script. And then white in color. Okay, and then the thickness here, make it sorry, 30, and finish tiles here. Ceiling tile. So tile, don't have tile here, you can go to here, ceramic tile, and bring it up. Ceramic tile, what is the color here? You can change appearance or this color. So what the graphical one, appearance only this one, no any. Anyway, like this. And then slightly agree with this one, and okay, and then change the thickness to 10 mm. Okay, so then we have this for the foreground. Okay, then foreground mine like that. So the effect something like this. This one for the ground, for the floor, select all the like this, internal, external, external wall, internal wall, and then after that select all instances, entire project. Okay, what we can do, we select, I forgot when we select this one, in the, from right to left, so any object that intersect with the selection box will be selected. So then you can see here the grid line also selected. So that's why it's properties, multiple properties type. So we have to filter it first. So we don't agree, we want the wall only, and then okay. So only the wall. There are two type of wall selected, and then base constraint we go to ground beam here, and then apply. Why we need to do like that? So let me go to the east, so then it will go to the, you can see here, it will wait a minute, why it is not going to the down here? Let's see the north. Oh no, let me back to this one and then select. Oh, no wonder, because we not select all. We select by press the control. You can see the cursor, there is a plus button, a plus symbol, so you can add, and after that right click, select all instant, entire project. So this constraint varies because some wall, because we see from the east, from this side, from the right to the left, so then that's why we cannot see this wall. And then apply, level, ground, and apply. So So let me see from the east. So you can see that go further to this one, level 1 and level 0. So let me show you the view here. We have the section, whether you can select from this one, select this one, and then let me from here there. Okay, and this is the box, and then escape, and then select this one. You can control the size of the selection here, and then we make it bigger to 100. Cannot see. Maybe it's too small. Okay. Okay, then we bring it. How come? Anyway, make it 100. Sorry, make it 25. Anyway, so we have this, and then to see this one, you double click this one, so it will bring you to the section. Building section here. We have section 1. You can see the effect, and then go to find. So this for the detailing. Set it like that. So the wall here, we start from here. So you can see here it's on overlapping the plaster and the floor. Let me make it like that for the detailing. So scale view bigger, 1/5. Okay, then since this one is overlapping, so then what we can do, we go to modify, and then we go to join. We select this element, and then we select this element, the wall. So then you can see that it's correctly managed. Since this one is a substrate, I'm not sure whether this one, so it's supposed to be this can join as well here. Maybe it is because of the material. Let me check here. We need to edit here. Structure, what is the difference of this one? Structural material. Variable, it's not wrapping, or maybe because of this. Let me go to here, and then let me check the earth field here. On the appearance, on the cut bump, self-selection, cut off, supposed to be able to have this cut out. Anyway, later we are looking for earth pencil. Anyway, let me check here whether we can do join this part as well to this. It's not join. Maybe this type of, later I will find out what happened. But this one you can see here, it is this detect, this is a plaster and then plaster, so it's wrapping combined. But this one I'm not pretty sure why it is has supposed to my intention is supposed to be this one is correct, this one, but actually there is another way. So you have to cut it, so it will be bring this to the wall. So this one later on we can do it in the call out for the detail drawing. Okay, so level 0. So that's all for this video. We can continue later on for the what call it, for the toilet. Also we can have different things. Yeah, I mean normally the toilet or the toilet floor is lowered by certain centimeters, right? So we have to modify the floor here, and then has specifically for the toilet. Maybe we what call it, we reduce the thickness of this one. Let me create it architectural floor, and then we create floor this one for the mine here to edit, and then for the toilet duplicate toilet. Okay, So edit, we just simply reduce this one, so to put 197 like that. So then we can, oh sorry, not 97, 170, so 50 millimeter down, and then okay, the rest is the same. Then after that we create, so initially we create from here using the rectangular instead of like this to this. Then what we call it, so we escape and then change this one, half offset from level, so we make it on level 0, so offset in minus 30 like that, and apply, and then press this one. So let me see bring it up here and then crossing this, so you can see cross section of this one. So double click this one, where is my floor? Oh, okay, maybe, oh sorry, let me return back to the level 0 here. This one, we need to bring it as well. Then double click, you can see there. So on the toilet one, it is lowered by 30. Then we can go to modify, join, click this one and click this one, so it's really join. So the structural part will connect to this one. So okay, so that's all. So we have this one, and then we can simply click for the other. So we stop here for a moment, and then we will continue for the next for what we call it, adding the window, the doors, and also the second floor, and then the roof. Okay, thank you.